Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download OneDrive for safe project file versioning, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in www.onedrive.com and press enter. Once on the OneDrive homepage, look for the download button. Click on the download button to initiate the download process. This will redirect you to the Microsoft OneDrive download page. Choose the version that is compatible with your operating system. If you are using Windows, select the Windows version, or if you are on Mac, choose the Mac version. Click on the download link to start downloading the OneDrive installer. Once the download is complete, locate the installer file in your Downloads folder. Double-click the installer file to run the setup. Follow the on-screen instructions that appear during the installation process. You may need to accept the license agreement to proceed. Select the destination folder where you want OneDrive to be installed. Click on the installation button to start the installation. Once the installation is finished, a OneDrive setup window will appear. Sign in with your Microsoft account or create a new one if necessary. Choose the folders you want to sync with your OneDrive. This is important for proper file versioning in your projects. Click on Next to complete the setup process. OneDrive will now sync your selected folders and files. You can access OneDrive from the taskbar icon or the folder in File Explorer. To manage file versioning, right-click on any file in your OneDrive folder. Select the Version History option from the context menu. This will show you all previous versions of the selected file. You can restore any version by clicking on it and selecting Restore. Familiarize yourself with these steps to effectively manage project files. Using OneDrive helps ensure safe file versioning for your projects. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.